So the power company cleared out a whole bunch of crap, unfortunately. So we're right next to the neighbors. I've been cleaning it all out. So with the slope, I might make a little stream waterfall here. I don't know how this tree is surviving. I've already been cleaning up a lot. Lots of plum fronds. Lots of just leaves everywhere. And my plan is to plant a crap ton of wildflowers. So wish me luck. Alright, so with the yard project, we're getting somewhere. Cleaned up a lot. That. Gonna make a little pond, stream, waterfall, whatever. I've been cleaning all this crap up. Made some stairs. And then the top here, cleaning all this crap out. This, I had a crap ton of wildflowers. So I'm hoping they all grow. And then where those little sticks are, probably gonna try to build a bamboo fence. Don't know if I'll be successful, but progress. So the water's gonna flow under that log onto the other side. And then I'm going to do one more fountain, and we're gonna have another little waterfall drop right there. So I think it should look really pretty. I'm kind of excited.